I craft everything. Today's project was super cool. I got to create an embroidery patch for an upcoming YouTube tutorial on our channel. The detail in this patch is so beautiful. It looks like it was quick, but it actually took about 45 minutes and 15,000 stitches to create. If you like embroidery, love crafting, or simply want to brush up on some tips for crafting, stop by our channel and subscribe. We'd love to have you. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit the bell to be notified for new content. You never know when we might post something you might love. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by. We really enjoyed you, and thanks for watching this video. Bye!